Everyone's talking about OfferLab right now, but almost nobody's talking about what you unlock when you join the right way. Because if you go through my link at offersnack.com, you'll get over $5,000 worth of actual tools training and plug and play assets dropped right into our school group. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything inside the bonus vault, why I built it, how it saves you from wasting 3 months of being stuck, and how to claim it instantly when you join OfferLab for free. So you'll watch this whole thing before you miss out or sign up the wrong way. When I first started trying to make money online, I was drowning in ideas. I had offers, I had content, but I didn't have a system. I'd build half a funnel, write one email, and then kind of did nothing with it. So I remember sitting in my office burnt out, watching my wife come home after a night shift while I had nothing to show for all the content that I post. And that feeling is kind of something that breaks you. That's what this bonus vault was really built. So everything inside it was designed to help you actually launch, which is kind of the whole goal of what we're doing here at OfferLab. So here's kind of what I've noticed a lot of creators still believe when they first start, or even, experienced creators, is that the more that they post, it'll just kind of start to work. And no offense, but no, it will not. I had videos hit over 1 million views and still had no system to capture leads, follow up, or present anything worth paying for. And so OfferLab gives you the offer. That's kind of the beautiful thing about OfferLab. It solves a lot of problems. And so you can, also get the vault that we have that helps you with the framework to make it real and to get started fast. So with a lot of our funnels, swipes, AI tools, launch plans, a lot of it's not fluff. It's just kind of there to help give you resources and really kind of like the context and things that will help you be successful with OfferLab. Because OfferLab is really cool. It already offers a lot. But I think anytime that you get something, you're also presented with more problems as well. But sometimes people are still asking or a little bit confused, like, what is OfferLab? And so I love OfferLab. If you're not familiar with it, it's a new platform where you can either create your own digital products from scratch, or you can plug into other people's products and you can promote high converting affiliate offers that are already live. And so it's really cool. It's something I wish that I had 6 years ago when I first started. You don't need a funnel builder, a CRM, or all these different email tools. You just sign up, pick your offer, connect your Stripe account, and you're pretty much ready to go. But some of the problem is that people still freeze. They don't know how to write copy, or how to create copy, or how to be confident on camera, or how to film content, or how to launch. And they have questions and they want to talk to somebody who's real and be a part of a community that can actually answer these on top of what OfferLab already gives you. So that's kind of why we built the Offer Snack Vault. Our Offer Snack is the brand that we're kind of creating around OfferLab just because we believe in it so much. So when you go to Offer Snack with the link in the bio, I just wanted to kind of walk you through how it is. You just click the button, you put in your email, and it'll take you to the next page where you can sign up for OfferLab, right? And that's where you can unlock all the capabilities of OfferLab and really just how simple it is. And there's tutorials in there and stuff as well, and we can also help guide you. But once you sign up with OfferLab with our link, you can join our school group where we have an offer already available for you. We have AI mentorship. We have ad scripts, content formulas, a lot of cool templates. And then also more than anything, I think as a creators, a lot of times we have to work on our mindset as well. So mental reboots for when you're thinking about burning out. Like a lot of these things will really help you in the long run. And so we put this stack together because it's things that I needed in my own personal business. So it's not really just like fluff or theory. It's just something ready to use that you can put together in your business. Now, one thing that we always think, obviously, I just kind of wanted to show you these bonuses that we put together. You can take a look at it here at offersnack.com. But one thing too, cool, that's crazy is there's a lot of internal beliefs and external beliefs that we have that we're trying to break down when we are trying to make money online, trying to build value, trying to bring something to the marketplace. And so if you're listening, you might be thinking like, man, I'm not really ready. I don't have a product. I'm not technical. And trust me, I get that more than anybody. Like, it's something that I battled for a long time. I gained over 70 pounds and depressed and stressed whenever 2020 hit. And so with 2 kids and just like $1,000 per month left after bills, like it's something that I struggled with. And so that's why we put a lot of the tools together, because I wish I had someone kind of give me these things, handing it to me during my low points, And so it's really something that you can have as a starting point, a real setup, one that doesn't require too much tech skills, but we want to help you have momentum, even if you're in your best spot or in your worst spot. So one thing that I've really noticed over the past 6 years working with thousands of creators in my own business, and also like I still currently work for repurpose.io. I'm a freelancer with them and I love that company. And what I love about that is I get to work with so many new beginners, people who are experienced making tens of thousands to 100,000 big major brands. So I get to see like a lot of things that people are struggling with on their content journey, which for you, could be a lot of things. But that's why we put this bonus together so that you can really see that systems can kind of help weed out a lot of the noise. It helps you have the ability to move forward, and so you're not like wondering what to post, not knowing how to structure your own funnel or how to promote someone else's funnel. Working with AI and scripting things can really help. And so it's crazy that like things that I know and that my business partner know, we kind of take for granted because we're like, oh, we just do it all the time. But everyone must know this. But it's funny that, these are things that a lot of beginners might struggle with. And I really want to help bridge that gap for you so that it's easier. So yeah, if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for a real starting point, or you've been looking for something that maybe could help you boost OfferLab, you think that it's a good idea, but it's like, man, I really want to, but it's kind of hard. Just join with us, grab our bonuses, join our community, because I really want to help you guys, bridge to the next level. I've been looking for my own tribe too. Like I really want to help creators create. You guys can give me feedback. We can help each other learn together, kind of more like a mastermind. And one thing too, like, so after you sign up for OfferLab, you will have two upsells. One I believe is a VIP, which is $47, and then there's one that's $497, which is a certification. And so when you go through this, you'll see on the next page, if you do sign up for that certification, what Suresh and I put together is we put together a coaching program. So instead of us charging hundreds and hundreds of dollars per month to give you like a small group setting where you can ask us questions, we can audit your platforms together, like look at your offers. We did it so that we're giving 3 months away of 2 different coaching programs. So one is like AI marketing with me, really digital marketing, funnel building, all that stuff. That's with me. And then Suresh is going to be in charge of all the mindset coaching and training. So if that's something that you're wanting to do, you're like, man, OfferLab sounds cool. I love the bonuses, but I would like a little bit more hands-on. That's what we put this together for. And we're excited to do it because it's like we can partner with OfferLab and then we can have our own tribe and kind of help you guys to really be the best version of yourself that you can be. So go to offersnack.com and the link down below, grab the free bonuses. And if you decide to upgrade to the certification, we want to be there for you to help coach you through all the different bottlenecks that you kind of have as a creator. So thanks so much for watching this video, and make sure to check out the video above because that's the video that YouTube thinks that you'll like the most.